So when I think about Samaritan of the Year, I always think of someone who has been committed to Riverside, who has a long history of giving, but also not only committed to Riverside, committed to the community, committed to the people of this community, and continually gives back.
The foundation is about people, not just programs. Each gift is about real patients, real people. From Frankfort to Kankakee, from Kankakee to Watseka, from Coal City to Moments, and all points in between, our donors know when they give, they are shaping healthcare in our community, not just for today, but for generations to come.
As President and CEO of Riverside Healthcare, it is my honor to announce our 2025 Samaritan of the Year, Dr. Joehar Hamdan.
So why I chose a career in cancer medicine is because it fascinates me how our Creator made our human bodies and how understanding cell biology is just so vast and deep, and there's still so many unknowns. Really great days for me are when I see a patient who, when I first met, was in excruciating amount of pain. And then when I see them weeks later and their pain's gone, they're moving around better. You know, that high five when you pass by the infusion room, that's what makes my day, when I know that they're better.
Well, my experience with Dr. Hamdan is somewhat unique. I actually had the opportunity to recruit Dr. Hamdan to this community. In 1980, I came to Riverside with the intent to set up a cancer program. That was 45 years ago we started, and the program continues to grow. And in order for it to grow, there need to be incredible clinicians, people who really commit to the community, who understand the vision. And recruiting Dr. Hamdan among an entire field of potential candidates, there's no question why he stood out.
I am privileged to call Joehar my friend. He has just been a great individual. I don't think I've ever heard a negative patient complaint about Dr. Hamdan. I go somewhere, somebody is under his care, they are just glowing. How nice of a person he is, how great of a doctor he is.
Dr. Hamdan has a great relationship with our team, such a ever-evolving relationship, keeping everybody in play that needs to be in play. He is one of the best utilizers of our multidisciplinary team. He is quick to go to our social workers, to our dietitian, to our pastoral care. Whatever the patient speaks a need of or needs at all, he's the one that's gonna go to them, and he's gonna get it done. He doesn't come to me to be a go-between. He is just one that utilizes them all. He goes to radiation, talks to Dr. Rashed. Everything is a, how can we help this patient and get it done? He just is utilizing all of our resources to make sure that patient's fully cared for.
Dr. Hamdan doesn't just treat the patient, but he treats the whole family. And he's just a healer, a person that makes a real difference in oncology, but in giving people peace by providing the type of care here locally, so families don't have to travel out of the Kankakee River Valley. And as a member of the healthcare board, that is our mission. We say generosity heals. Well, proof is on Route 45 in Bourbonnais with Dr. Hamdan.
So over the years, the support of the people in this community, the support of the physicians like Dr. Hamdan, the support of the businesses to help us grow and advance cancer care in this community, it's been phenomenal.
Philanthropy is a huge piece of our puzzle here. Without it, we could still give great service, but with it we can give even greater service. We are able to purchase a new linear accelerator in TrueBeam in the last couple of years, which allows us the greatest technology to treat our patients. The building that we're in, the building that we treat patients in, was given by philanthropy. It is called the Betty Birch Bridgewater treatment center because of the giving of Jim and his family to the center. And without that philanthropy, I don't know where we'd be.
So when I was recently visited by Mr. Cambick, I did receive a message that he was going to come to my office. And, you know, if the EKG machine was on me, I would have been a little tachycardic, wondering what's going on here. And then he sat and brought this book with him. And I've seen this book before. It was about the Samaritans of the past.
He goes, oh yeah, I read that book. He goes, there were some great people in that book. I said, Joehar, I want you to be in this book. He had tears coming down his face. That's how quality of a guy Dr. Hamdan is.
It humbled me because I told him, you know, whatever I give from my heart. And I was raised that if you give from your right hand, your left hand shouldn't know what your right hand gave. But it was a very humbling experience, and I hope I could live up to this award, because we try to live up to it every day.
I just want to say one final congratulations and thank you to Dr. Hamdan. He is such a quality person and deserving of this recognition. Thank you so much for all that you do for Riverside, for our patients, and for our community at large.